Hey guys, what's up? We got another box break here for Dooley. Disregard those box numbers right there. Those are for another break he did for me. But yeah, Josh is going to get one of these boxes of 2012 Tier 1. Hopefully we get him something good out of it. I got like 3 boxes of it, so hopefully we can find something worthwhile. 3 cards, 3 hits. Got Salvador Perez, black, with white ink, number 25. George Foster, autograph, number to 75. And triple jersey of Eddie Murray, number to 25. Alright. I appreciate it, buddy. I'll get this stuff out to you and shipped out tomorrow, actually. So if you need anything else, Josh, hit me up, let me know. Otherwise, I'll get this stuff out to you tomorrow. Thanks a lot. See ya.